My parents had separated before my sister was born. Part of the reason that my sister was my mom's favorite child was her love for horse riding, which I was never interested in. The more hostile our mother got towards me, the less interested I got in anything she was interested in. Then came my 8th birthday. I was friends with our next door neighbor's kids, and a few of them from school. Although I did not have that many, I loved the friends I did have and was excited to share my birthday with them. My birthday was on a Friday, but my mom told me she'd arranged for my birthday party for the Saturday, which was fine by me. The day of my birthday party came, and I got excited. At that age, I hadn't yet had my heart crushed by my mother and her blatant favoritism, but this was the year I began to hate my birthday. The party was arranged to start at 12 p.m., so I wore my favorite dress and sat outside to wait for my friends to arrive. This was the point that I realized that something wasn't right. Outside was the mother of one of my sister's friends with a pony in tow. My mother knew I wasn't interested in horses, and even if I was, this horse was too small for an 8-year-old. As more guests started to arrive, my heart broke more and more. These were my sister's friends, not mine. And for the icing on the cake, out comes my 5-year-old sister in a Cinderella costume. None of these people were there for me. This was supposed to be my party, but instead, it became a party for my sister. None of my friends were there. All of the birthday presents were addressed to me, but were things that I did not want. My Little Pony toys and other horse-related gifts were what I got from my mother and the people at the party. The only present I got that wasn't horse-related was from our dad. He came later in the day to wish me happy birthday, and by that point, the other guest and the pony were gone. I can remember him asking what was wrong, as I wouldn't come out of my room or talk to anyone. My mother acted dumb and said that she did not know why I was so upset. It wasn't until many years later that my dad found out what happened. After that day, I did not want a birthday party again. Even now at 30, I don't make a big deal out of my birthday. I still celebrate it, but I don't do birthday parties. My sister has changed a lot since then, and I don't hold any grudges for the things our mother did. We don't speak to our mother anymore, and our father died in 2009 when I was 19. It's tough sometimes, but me and my sister are really close, so we have each other to lean on for support. I'd be lost if it weren't for her. Oh my goodness, guys. What a terrible thing to have happen to an 8-year-old. This has to be one of the cruelest, pettiest, stunning acts of favoritism I've ever heard of. Like I said, my heart is breaking just thinking about OP just standing there on her birthday, watching while her sister's friends come in, and not hers. What the heck is mom thinking? And that, my friends, brings us to another end of r/and Entitled People. Guys, if you enjoyed the stories today, do hit that thumbs up. If you missed the last episode of r/and Entitled People, a Karen thinks she's more deserving of a video game console than some kids who are hospitalized. Yikes. Guys, if you didn't catch that one, go check it out right now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you. Hello, my wonderful, beautiful friends. Welcome back to r/.